the PAC 43 of Troisvierges. During the Battle of the Bulge in December 1944, the area around Troisvierges in Luxembourg was a strategically vital transport hub for the German advance toward Belgium. In January 1945, as the U.S. Army launched its counter-offensive, Luxembourg became the scene of bitter and intense fighting. One of the most fearsome weapons of the Second World War was the German PAC 43 anti-tank gun. This powerful anti-tank gun was capable of penetrating the armor of any Allied tank. After the war, one such gun stood neglected for over 36 years at a scrapyard in Troisvierges. A local interest group lobbied the municipal council to have the gun mounted on a proper pedestal as a memorial, but the politicians remained inactive. To force the council's hand, a group of citizens took the initiative in late November 1981. In a daring cloak-and-dagger operation under the cover of night, they towed the heavy artillery piece directly in front of the town hall. The situation escalated further. At exactly 5:20 a.m. on the morning of December 7, 1981, an explosion rocked the town. Unknown individuals had destroyed the gun's muzzle brake with explosives. The public pressure finally became too great, and the municipality gave in. A circular pedestal was constructed, and by the inauguration in April 1982, the PAC was officially established as a memorial. While it was a source of fierce controversy in 1981, it is today an established part of the regional culture of remembrance regarding the Battle of the Bulge. However, decades of exposure to the elements took their toll. To preserve this monument for the future, the Municipal Council approved a comprehensive restoration. Work began in the spring of 2025, and the gun was brought to a restoration facility.
güzelmiş.
By late autumn of that year, the renovation was complete, and the anti-tank gun was moved to a sheltered location for the winter. In late April 2026, the time had finally come. The gun was reinstalled in Troisvierges. Today, it is more than just a technical relic of the war. As a restored memorial, it serves as a stark reminder of the horrors of the Battle of the Bulge and the liberation of Luxembourg. It stands as a silent witness to history, preserved for future generations to keep the memory of the value of peace alive.